Hi everybody, I'm Krista, this is John. We're back with another simple DIY project for the kids.
We all know adding water to summertime play is a must, but it doesn't really have to be that complicated.
The Tunnel of Fun is an easy project that you can build in almost no time at all.
So literally, with PVC piping, a drill, and about an hour in your day, you can create this fun, flexible project that's really easy to clean up.
I'm starting the clock. You ready?
Let's do this.
During our last trip to Lowe's, we picked up PVC pipes, a hose adapter, a T-fitting, and a few PVC connector pieces. These are the basic materials we'll use to construct our Tunnel of Fun sprinkler. All the materials are listed below.
First, we're going to cut our PVC to length. We're going to use a hacksaw and a miter box to make nice, clean cuts.
And I'll use a utility knife to deburr the edges.
We'll make sure to leave all the specific cutting dimensions for you in the description below.
John's using a spare board as a straight edge to draw a line down the length of this pipe, and then we'll drill holes every 4 inches.
Now we're going to use PVC cement to join this T to these pipes. From this point on, we're not going to cement anything else. We want to make sure you can take it apart and store for the winter.
Now that all the pieces are prepped, it's time to put the whole thing together.
We used plastic sheeting from Lowe's and spread it on the ground for the slide.
As finishing touches, we added some pool noodles and some sponges.
You can use this simple idea as is or as a foundation for an even bigger project. For all the steps, materials, and tools, be sure to check out the description.
Hope you enjoy this project and it helps your kids stay cool this summer.
Thanks for watching. Good luck.
See ya.